Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the vocal flutter from the Bad Guy by Billie Eilish. That's the fan sound you get when she says bad guy. I'm going to show you this by demonstrating on one of my parodies I recently did for Bad Guy. It's a COVID-19 one about the coronavirus. You should check it out. It's pretty funny. I'll leave a link in the description. But this is what the final sound will be.
I'm the bad guy.
Duh. So I'll play that one more time.
I'm the bad guy.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a track where I haven't edited it at all, which is this right here.
I'm the bad guy.
And I want to go ahead and stretch that out with elastic audio. To do that, just go down here, click on this button, and go to monophonic, because monophonic is for vocals, or I think any mono signal. Go up to here, it says waveform, click on that, go to analysis. This will give you lines that you can move. Then go to warp, and you can actually move those lines. If you shift click on a line and move it, it just moves a single line. But if you don't shift and you just click, you can drag the whole thing like that. But I'm just going to move the single line right now.
I'm the bad guy.
Yeah, don't go too far or you'll get some weird audio artifacts. Let's move this back.
I'm the bad guy. I'm the bad guy.
You have to mess around with it a little bit. So when you're finished, you'll get something similar to this.
I'm the bad guy.
Go ahead and turn off the elastic audio by going over here and just going to waveform. Don't completely turn it off. You need to leave it on the track or else it might delete everything you've done. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it below. Use the shortcut T to zoom in. I'm going to set this off a little bit so it's not lined up perfectly. It's a little bit off and it'll create a little bit of an effect.
I'm the bad guy.
I'm going to replay that. Elastic audio, sometimes it makes weird artifacts when you play through.
I'm the bad guy.
Okay, that's more on par. Let's go back to the second track. That's the bottom track. And what I did was for EQ, I boosted a lot of the high frequencies and I cut everything lower, pretty much below 70 hertz or so. I'll give you this for a sound.
I'm the bad guy.
Did that because I wanted to sound more hollow to give more of a fan sound. Just going back to that track. Then you're going to add the sci-fi plugin. To get that, you go to sci-fi plugin, modulation, it's right there. So bring that up. And you're going to mess around with the frequency controls. It might not be exactly what I did to get it. Just mess around until you get something you want. I moved the frequency up a lot. And I increased the depth to 63%. And then I moved up the rate to 20 hertz here and 100% here. By doing that, I got this for a sound.
I'm the bad guy.
As you can see, it already has that kind of creepy flutter that you get from speaking through a fan. So when you add in the top track, it sounds like this.
I'm the bad guy.
It's pretty good. You might have to adjust it a little bit to get it perfect.
I'm the bad guy.
You can even increase the volume of the top track if they're too close.
I'm the bad guy.
After you mess around with it and get the right balance you want, then you'll have the final version more similar to this.
I'm the bad guy.
And that's it for the video.
Heart thumping, blood pumping, sweat running. I'm a victim of your love now.